I think we're gonna start with this one. It's an oldie but a goodie, but it came up again. Supway1 on Facebook. We do not, in fact, work for Pizza Hut. It do not DoorDashers do not accept one order, but one order at a time, especially between. You know what? No, that's not how you say it.
DoorDashers do not accept but one order at a time, especially between 3:30 and 8:30 p.m. Results in cold food because of waiting and upset customers. You will be banned from taking orders if don't comply. You work for us, Pizza Hut.
No, we decided to contract with you. And also, the DoorDash platform can send a quadruple, and it could be all Pizza Hut merchant orders. I've had them be blended right in, like to be merchant orders, to be the DoorDash platform orders, and it's like you could have quadruple stacks if anything. Traditionally, pizza places when they had their own delivery drivers, you know, they usually want 4 or more to go, so they're time efficient. You don't want to go out with one, have your driver go all the way out, come back, and then it's just a waste of time. It's okay. You guys also have the free pizza bags. I get a lot of Pizza Huts, my Pizza Huts in particular. Sometimes if you're cool, if you can just ask. But they have the free ones, and the free ones are better than none. And if you're a decently, efficient driver, you can get those 4 done quickly. Like I've done it hundreds of times. It's not that hard, like they're thinking.
Yeah.
And you're only making one pizza order at a time. Really, Pizza Hut? You're a high volume chain store. That is literally what you were designed to do.
Well, high volume is based on perspective as well, though. Like it depends on where you are.
Yeah.
Some places the local pizzeria is running circles around a Pizza Hut, and some
Oh, yeah.
places Pizza Hut is just running
But
circles around what they describe as the local pizzeria or the place where toast and tomato sauce is put on a slice is paired with a slice of cheese. I'm not mad
so
at Rhode Island for any reason, I promise.
yeah. So what I'm saying is, I don't know if you have it further in the slides, but like one had do 10 deliveries for us, and you get a free medium pizza. Cool, great. I know pizza isn't the greatest pizza, but it's still something free, and they're actually being nice. Versus this store, come on, why are we still doing this? Why? Like, I don't know what the chat's saying right now, but like, do you any
Frustrating.
of you in your regions ever experience this? Because I only ever see it online. I've never ran into it in the multiple cities I've been to, and
What would
it's
they
actually
offer
very interesting.
food in comparison to?
No, 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 no. Like the only take one order at a time. You were employed by. No, we're not your employees for
You
one,
know, it's
and one
funny you
order at a
say
time.
that. I've
Like,
seen more signs saying, um, must confirm before we hand the order to you or something like that, long before I see anything like only one order at a time. Like they are all
so
much more understanding in that regard
So the
than
only thing I've seen is not at a pizza place. It's at your typical fast food restaurant, and they'll try to say don't accept more than 2 at a time. Like
yeah.
again, we could be sent there with a triple or quadruple on the same app. And this one I was at as a customer, mind you, and they looked at me as I
Mhm,
was a dasher. I'm like, because I was a mobile order. They probably
mhm.
just stopped. It was getting deployed. And I'm like, I'm sitting there with no bag, trying to act all casual. Yeah, I never accepted an order through that place ever. I'll call them out. Talk about Monroeville. Screw you.
Mhm. You know, it's funny because they're not the only ones who do it. I remember going through. Not for me personally. It was a story that I covered. It for a girl who went to Qdoba who placed an online order. Like it was just a mobile app order. She had the app. She placed it through there. She was there on her lunch, and she like waited there for her food, and then no one would like. At some point, they stopped being busy, and then they just weren't working. They were just standing around, and she was like, what's going on? Is
Uh,
everything okay with my order? Oh, what?
Well, we're gonna work on it when we work on it. If you don't like it, then you could just unassign the order.
Excuse
yeah,
me?
until DoorDash takes away that free unassigned because they were like the restaurant's known for. That's the thing that drives me the most nuts. It's like that's the whole point of that thing. And
Is to
like,
justify the
yay, let's take away the free unassigned for a restaurant known for long wait times because they pull shenanigans. Like, okay, start holding people accountable. If you keep being late and it's not because there's a high volume of orders, it's just because we'll get to it, man. I hate you, Karen.
well,
Like, it's
honestly,
always the
that's
ones that are
why
standing
I
around that
think
cause the most problems. I'd
Google
rather
and
deal with a
Yelp.
generally slow restaurant than deal with they're standing around and they look at you and like, oh, like,
Yeah.
they don't want to deal with you.
Yeah, it's funny because it's it's just insane to me. Like, this is exactly why we need, like, everyone looks at me funny when I'm like, you gotta make a review on Yelp, you gotta make a review on Google. You need to make it clear that this is how they behave. And then everyone
Mhm.
looks at me like I'm the crazy one because yeah, I made a review, but I wasn't the customer. I was just as much affected by this as the customer was. In fact, I would argue I'm
Yeah,
probably more affected because it affects my income directly. I have every
yeah,
right to state my mind on the subject.
but that's just it. Like their online orders come in just like a DoorDash or Uber or Grubhub, and they can look at you as a customer like that. So when they get a mobile order, all these companies want you to order off their mobile app. And if they look at you just as if you're a delivery driver that we could put off, you're pissing off some customers right there. Like, because there's no front counter people no more. The drive through will be freaking forever long. And the whole point of the app is you hit counter, yeah, I'm here. It's in the freaking queue before you get there.
Mhm.
And if they didn't even start up before you walked in the door, I'm not happy. I know the apps encourage you to wait till you're there, but like, don't do that. Just hit I'm here. I know there's some apps. I think Starbucks is one of them for some godforsaken reason. They won't let you till you're at the store. It's like, what's the damn point then? The whole point is to jump your queue. I don't want to wait
Yeah.
behind 8 people when I get there. I want it to be 8 ahead.
It's incredible
Um,
because they don't see it that way and they're intentionally choosing not to see it that way. Like, I
yeah, I don't know if
understand, like, there's a person in front of you, but there are people on the way that need to go. Like, there's a reason they do that, and they intentionally choose it, and they make it sound like it's this self-righteous reason, but it's really just discrimination on one hand against gig workers, and on the other hand, you just don't like mobile orders. Like, if you can make them wait, you just will. Like, what? You don't
yeah,
like
well,
accountability? Like, what's your problem?
most places have someone just on that nowadays. So there's just no excuses anymore.
Yeah.
I know for a fact that like it seems like the worst, most impatient people won't ever use the app. And I hate using them. I'm like, and they're sitting there on their iPhone texting whoever. Oh my god, it's such a wait. Get a smartphone in your hands and use it.
Yeah, I actually made a smartphone. I not on smartphone, but I used the website to order a meal when I got there, right? Well, before I got there, because I just wanted I just had other things to do, and I said I'll get it as soon as I like finish this other thing. And I did, and I got there. It's the most satisfying feeling in the world when you place your order, go get it, pick it up, and I'm not waiting in this long line. And I know this order
Yeah.
is going to take like 20 minutes to do, and capitalize on that time. It's worth it,
Yeah.
100%
It's like a
of the time.
5-minute max wait time and it's so wonderful. And then like you get there and like everyone's giving you the side eye. Like, well, I just tell people I see them, I catch their eye, and it's like, hey, I'm just use the app. There's discounts on it. You get free rewards. You come here a lot, which I know you do. If you're staying in the, trying to get here something to go, 90% of you come here frequently. So just do it. I think it's so worth it, in my opinion. I know a lot of people are like, well, the apps clutter up my space. It's like, well, most of everything you can sign in and out with Google these days. So you can just uninstall the app and reinstall it, hit sign in with Google, boom, you're in. It's not hard. And it just depends what you're feeling like that day. I know that like Starbucks, for example, I was saying earlier, there's some other restaurants that don't let you check in before you get there. A lot of people purposely use the apps and try to like find promo codes and stuff. So that way they skip the line because that forces it through, just like as if you order delivery.